I'm in Jelenia Góra in southwestern Poland. I've got my vehicles up there, as you can see. Free place to park in the centre of the town, and don't let the look of this street fool you. It's a very modern and vibrant city. Why am I showing this? To me, this has something also which is vibrant, and it reminds me of a different time. So we've got this sign here, Piecivo is bread, so they sold bread here. I think that dates the 1990s by looking at it. It's not from socialist times, even though the way they've got things written on it, the font is art, meaning articles, so it's a shortened form, spożywcze, so food articles, and we've got bread written there, zapraszamy, we invite. So that's the way in Polish you're saying we sell, and zapraszać means to invite, but usually means to sell in this case like this. And I find that building absolutely fascinating, and of course it's waiting for somebody, a developer, to come along and take it. Now I'm going to take it over the road here, because this has got this huge area here, which I bet this is full during the working days. This is today, I don't know what it is actually. I bet it belongs to a developer, maybe it still belongs to the city, but it's a great place to park your vehicle. And not only that, you can stay here, and at the same time I would point out that to the centre of the main square, it's what, 5 minutes on foot, if that. It's over there, and it's really attractive. If you might think this looks like a bit of a wasteland, but it isn't. It's a super place to actually visit, in my opinion. I bet this won't be like this so much longer. They'll probably put some expensive flats or something, or maybe the town, I don't know who owns the land, but if it's the town, they're probably waiting for a better price or something along those lines. Anyway, so there is my vehicle. I would stay here a bit longer, but as often happens, I am pushed for time, so I'm going to have to make a move, and which is of course unfortunate, but that's the way things are. And what a great place. I was thinking of spending the night here on Park for Night. There a number of people did actually spend the night here, and you know, it's not bad. I think it'll be relatively quiet. We do have a street up there, so there will be noise from there, but hey, it's in the middle of the town and it's free. Mind you, don't start telling me at 10 o'clock in the morning during the week. I bet it's full, but I don't know, I don't live here, but that's how I see it. Anyway, I'm leaving. No, nothing I've seen here. We've got the mountains. In English they're called the giant mountains. Can't actually see them, but they're over there. And wonderful place to visit, walking, and it's quite, actually some of the walks though are pretty tough as well. So anyway, now I've got to go. Just walked around my van to show you what's here. But there we go, back into my Hymer B514, and 639 centimeters long, 226 centimeters wide, 280 in height. Yep, it's great, absolutely fantastic. And now I'm leaving and heading towards Wrocław via Bolków.